Creating and adding a brochure to your Wix website is a great way to provide detailed information about your products or services. Here's how to do it. Log into Wix. Go to wix.com and log into your account. Open the website where you want to add the brochure. Choose a template or create a new page. Click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. If you want to add the brochure to a new page, go to the left sidebar and click Pages, Add Page. Choose a layout or start with a blank page. Add the brochure as an image or PDF. To add an image brochure, click on the Add button on the left menu. Select Image and upload your brochure as an image file. For a PDF brochure, click Add, Document and upload your PDF file. You can also add links to downloadable brochures or external files for visitors to download. Customize the brochure. Resize and position the brochure to fit your page. Use Wix's design tools to add text, images, and other elements to enhance your brochure. Save and publish. Preview your brochure page to ensure it looks good. Click Publish to make the page live on your website.